reviews best motorcycles for beginners Yamaha R3. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of motorcycles, specifically for those who are just starting out. We have a real gem to showcase, the Yamaha YZF-R3. This versatile and beginner-friendly sport bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community, and we're here to break down why. Background and description. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is a lightweight and agile sport bike designed for urban commuting and weekend riding. It's powered by a 321 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that delivers a smooth and responsive performance, perfect for new riders. Key features and benefits. One of the standout features of the YZF-R3 is its affordability. As a smaller displacement motorcycle, it's a more budget-friendly option compared to larger bikes, making it a great choice for new riders or those on a tight budget. In terms of performance, the YZF-R3 offers a good balance of power and handling. Its 321 cubic centimeters engine provides ample power for city riding and highway cruising, while its lightweight design and agile handling make it easy to maneuver through traffic in tight corners. Design and aesthetics. The YZF-R3 has a modern and aggressive design, with sharp lines and a muscular stance. It's available in a variety of colors and graphics to suit different tastes. Target audience and relevance. The YZF-R3 is ideal for riders who are looking for a compact and affordable sport bike. Its lightweight design and agile handling make it perfect for navigating city traffic and winding roads. The bike's fuel efficiency also makes it a practical choice for daily commuting. Comparison to other beginner motorcycles. When compared to other popular beginner motorcycles, the Yamaha YZF-R3 stands out for its sporty and aggressive styling. Its sleek design and powerful engine make it a great choice for riders who want to feel the thrill of a sport bike without breaking the bank. Expert reviews. The YZF-R3 has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, sharp handling, and comfortable riding position. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The YZF-R3 is a fantastic choice for new riders. It's easy to ride, affordable, and a lot of fun." Conclusion. The Yamaha YZF-R3 is a well-rounded motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and affordability. Its compact size, lightweight design, and forgiving handling make it a perfect choice for new riders. So, if you're looking for a reliable and affordable starter motorcycle, the YZF-R3 is definitely worth considering.